guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here back with another review, another product review, and this time it's not a skincare but it's makeup. And this time I'm going to be reviewing this Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Forever Flawless Constellation palette. Packaging is beautiful, isn't it? So today I'm going to be doing the swatches and going to be creating an eye look. But before we get started, I would like to ask you all to subscribe to my channel, watch this video till the very end, and give it a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Also, do follow me on Instagram as I've been doing some crazy face painting over there. So please, I'm giving a shout out to myself. Please follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box down below. Alright, let's get quickly started with the video. So this is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. This is what the palette looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? The packaging is beautiful. It's a metal packaging, not plasticky. The pigmentation of this palette is, amazing. I've seen many Makeup Revolution palettes as they are quite inexpensive and they give you a lot of colors. So I've seen many of them, like my friend has, and even I have one more. But this one isn't like that. I was really contemplating whether I should buy this or not because I have seen the pigmentation of Makeup Revolution palettes and I was like, I don't know if I should go for it. But when I opened it and I swatched it for the first time, I was blown away. I was literally blown away. It's too good. So I'm going to be swatching, okay? I'm gonna go row wise, okay? So this is how the first row looks. Okay? First, third, fourth and fifth are shimmers and these two are mattes. You can see the pigmentation already, okay? So here are the swatches of the second row. As you can see, I don't know, I have to twist my hand a little bit. So yeah, these are the swatches of the first two rows. Now let me tell you one thing, there is a little bit of fallout, but that's not an issue at all because the pigmentation level of this palette is, I can't even explain. This is so good for the amount you're paying. It's insane. Okay, so this happens to be the third row. I don't know if you can see properly. So this palette, it's not for the faint-hearted, first of all. It's by which I mean it's not for people who do not like to experiment with colors. Okay. If you like to play with neutrals, do not go with this palette. But if you want to start off with colors, great palette, you can go ahead. It has pink, it has a golden yellow, it has lots of blues, so you can experiment a lot. So today we are going to be trying out a quick and easy look, I would say, because I am really, I feel I'm being too monotonous with colorful looks as I'm doing a lot of them. So picking out my brushes, Proarte brushes I have. The color Asteroid, which looks like this. I'm just going to be buffing it, like putting it in my lid. Then I'm taking the smaller blending brush and I'm going to be taking the shade Mercury, which happens to be this particular color, this one. And again blending it all over my crease and lid. So I think I'm going for a dark, very dark eye look. And shape nicely, okay? And as I have got hooded eyes, I always take it up so that, when I open my eyes fully, see, my eyelid cannot be seen because it's hooded. So I take it up so that, you can see what I'm doing. So that's an advice to all the girls with hooded eyes. Try to do that. And most importantly, I would say follow Smita Deepak. She gives she gives phenomenal advices for hooded eyes. So this is done. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be deepening the corners of my eye with another black color which is known as Cluster, which is the foil black. I'm going to be taking that a little and I'm going to be applying just to the outer corner so that it's deep, and blending it with the first color. There's going to be a little fallout, so ignore. You can see it's nicely blended and you go on further, just blend. Doing it same for the other eye. Then I'm going to be taking this color Fractal and I'm going to be cutting my crease with it. So I'm not actually cutting my crease with a concealer, I'm just cutting my crease with the color itself. So it's going to be super duper pigmented, you can see. I am not lying about the pigmentation. You just take a small brush and keep cutting it nicely. The shimmers of this palette are like another level. You know, really good. Cover your lid really nicely, okay? Don't leave. So you can see this eye is done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly do the rest. Okay, since we are done, what we are going to do is we are going to take the Ola brush, which has the mercury and the cluster shade, and we are going to be blending it so that, you know, it looks neat. Just a little bit. Taking to inwards, going outwards. Just blending it. Nice and blended. I mean, spend all your time in blending, dude. Nothing is going to look pretty if you are not blended. So it's nicely blended. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my other blending brush, which is nice and fluffy, and I'm going to be blending the edges now because they are very harsh. You just go like that, you know, circular motions, so that, you know, it's nice and diffused. You do not want to leave it not blended. So you see this eye and this eye, how harsh the lines are and how harsh these lines are. So yeah, that's the difference. I know there's a little bit of dirt over here, which I'm going to be cleaning with powder, so don't worry. What I'm going to be doing is quickly clean this dirt, put the same colors on my lower lash line, wear some mascara, and be right back. Alright, I'm back with my eyes done. What I did was some brow highlight, some inner corner highlight, lower lashes done, wore some mascara. I wore the Benefit Their Real mascara. Amazing, gives a look of falsies. And now I'm going to be highlighting my face a little bit. So for that, I'm obviously going to be taking the one and only highlighter I have, which is Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I'm just going to be highlighting my face with this. A little bit on the nose, on the tip of the nose. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Midtown Pink, the Creamy Mattes collection, and I'm gonna just... And I think that's it. We're done with the look. If you try and post it on Instagram, please do tag me and let me know. And yeah, that's all for this video. I really like this palette. It retails for 16 to 1700, but I got it on Amazon for like 1100, so it was really inexpensive for what I got. So I'm really happy. And yeah, that's about this palette. You can create tons of looks with this. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any video recommendations, please do leave it down in the comment section below. I would love to do that for you guys. And yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon, you know, to get notified. And that's all. Love you all. Bye bye.